Let me tell you a short village story, a story about patience, a story that many people need today. Also, I will be using slow English so that you can improve your English through this story. And at the end of the video, there are some new words from the story that you will be learning. So let's begin. In a beautiful village surrounded by golden fields and tall mango trees, lived a young boy named Amir. Amir was clever, energetic, and always excited, but he had one big problem. He wanted everything instantly. If he planted a seed, he wanted it to become a tree the next morning. If he tried something once and failed, he gave up immediately. If someone asked him to wait, he became irritated. His mother often said, "Patience is also a skill, Amir," but he never understood what she meant. One morning, Amir was running through the village, frustrated and angry. He had planted tomato seeds a week ago, but today, when he checked the soil, he saw nothing. No leaves, no sprouts, no sign of life. He kicked the mud and shouted, "Why is everything so slow? I don't want to wait anymore." Just then, an old man named Dalwinder, who lived near the river, noticed Amir's anger. Dalwinder was known in the village as a wise man, calm, gentle, always smiling. People often visited him for advice. He walked toward Amir and asked softly, "What troubles you, my child?" Amir crossed his arms and frowned. "My plants are not growing. I water them every day. I check them every morning, but nothing happens. I'm tired of waiting." Dalwinder looked at him for a moment and smiled. "Come with me," the old man said. "Let me show you something important." Amir followed Dalwinder to the old man's backyard. What he saw surprised him. There were pots everywhere. Big pots, small pots, clay pots, wooden pots. Some had small green plants. Some had only soil. Some had tall trees. "Do you water all of these?" Amir asked. Dalwinder nodded. "Yes, every morning." "But why? Some of them don't even grow," Amir said. Dalwinder chuckled. "That is exactly what I wanted to show you." He pointed to a large clay pot filled with dark soil. "I planted a seed in this pot 3 months ago." Amir's eyes widened. 3 months? And still nothing? Don't you feel angry?" The old man shook his head gently. "No, my child, because patience is part of growth." He walked to another pot. Inside it, a tiny green sprout was finally coming out. "I planted this seed on the same day as the other one," Dalwinder said. "But as you see, this one took less time to grow." Amir frowned. "So, some seeds grow quickly and some slowly." Dalwinder smiled warmly. "Yes, every seed has its own time, just like every person, just like every dream." He sat on a wooden bench and patted the seat beside him. "Come, let me tell you a story." Amir sat down. "When I was young," Dalwinder began, "I also wanted everything fast. I was impatient, like you. But one day, I planted a bamboo seed." Amir listened closely. "For months, nothing happened. I watered it. I waited, but the soil looked empty." "So what did you do?" Amir asked. "I kept watering it," Dalwinder replied. "Not because I was sure it would grow, but because I believed patience would teach me something. And then one day, the bamboo sprouted." Dalwinder's eyes sparkled. "But here is the amazing part. After it sprouted, it grew almost a meter every week." Amir gasped. "That fast?" "Yes," Dalwinder said. but only because the seed spent months growing strong roots underground. Even when I couldn't see anything, something was happening. He placed a gentle hand on Amir's shoulder. Remember this. When nothing seems to be changing, something is growing inside you. Amir's face softened. His anger melted away, replaced by understanding. Dalwinder looked into the sunset and said softly, "Life tests your patience before it rewards your effort. Everything important takes time. Plants, dreams, skills, even people." Then he stood up and handed Amir a small clay pot with soil inside. "This is my gift to you. Plant a seed in it. Water it every day. Don't check it every hour. Just trust the process." Amir held the pot carefully. For the first time, he felt calm. The old man added, "If you learn patience now, the world will open its doors for you later." Amir nodded. Something in his heart shifted. Weeks passed. Amir watered the seed every morning. He didn't shout. He didn't complain. He didn't dig the soil to check. He simply waited. And one morning, he saw it. A tiny green sprout, soft and delicate, pushing through the soil. Amir's smile stretched across his face. He ran to Dalwinder's house and knocked on the door. "It grew! It grew!" he shouted joyfully. Dalwinder opened the door and smiled. "I know, my child. Patience always rewards those who practice it." Amir looked at his little plant with pride. This time, he didn't want it to grow fast. He just wanted to care for it, little by little. And from that day on, Amir understood. Not everything in life must happen quickly. Some things take time, and that's what makes them beautiful. Moral of the story: good things take time. Be patient with yourself, your dreams, and your growth. Practice learning English every day, and one day you will show the people who laughed at you how fluent you have become. Let's learn 3 useful English words from this story. 1. Patience, meaning the ability to wait calmly. Example: Amir learned patience while growing his plant. 2. Sprout, meaning a small new plant just starting to grow. Example: a green sprout came out of the soil. 3. Chuckled, meaning to laugh quietly. Example: Dalwinder chuckled as he listened to Amir's words.